in iTunes that allows physicians and nurses and folks in the OR to actually walk through the operating procedure and kind of time track every single step as you go. It's a procedure workforce analyzer, so a workflow analyzer. So it's very new, very innovative for the physicians in the hospitals, and that's something we hadn't done anywhere else. So, you know, Playbook clearly indicates that's a project to support, so I put BA and testing resources and those type of folks around that project to help. But again, everything is kind of funded by the business. You know, they are the ones driving this space. So we've set ourselves up to be service brokers, and we act like a small vendor shop inside of Medtronic, and we work to make sure that we help them meet their needs.
Yeah.
We don't often say no. We often say sure, and here's a few ideas on how we can help you do that. Here's core services we have for you that are the same everyone else is using. Plus, here's who we should work with to make this unique and make it fit your needs. So.
And another topic here also, another related topic, Jim, in selecting the smart app or smart apps as a global company, and I'm sure that most of you or all of you come from global organizations, how could you also identify the right apps per region? You know, every region, you know, have at least a subset of specific requirements which the app should fulfill, whether it is functional requirements or even design requirements or regulation requirements. Did you have this problem? And if yes, how could you solve this problem?
Yes, certainly. I mean, what we're allowed to say and discuss with folks around our iPad apps, like here in the US, for example, is drastically different than Europe. It's different than Asia Pac, Latin America, India. So we've always kind of allowed our regional counterparts to focus in on what should and shouldn't be said, and we design apps around that. If we're reusing something, we'll take some things out, we'll add features in, we'll start from scratch and do something new. We've found that over the past year or so, we're trying to change our strategy and think through the actual hardware that's going to be used in the different regions we're trying to work with. So in